Now think about it. As a toddler, we're taught how to walk and talk, maybe ride a bike and swim. Later at school, we're taught how to read and write, do maths. Still later, we prepare for a job, a career. And between school and homework, somehow it seems, we forget to learn the most essential skills of all. How to solve conflicts, how to convince others, how to deal with pressure and defeat, how to move forward and how to let go. And what about our relationships and how to raise children, or how to take control of our own life, how to pursue our dreams, to make the right choices, or simply how to find happiness? All these things are directly related to how our brains work. Yet hardly anyone has even basic knowledge of how they work. In the best case, sadly, people have erroneous beliefs such as that we're right or left-brained. Okay, please. So once and for all, that is not true. We are not right or left-brained. As a former director of the Institute of Neurocognitivism, I became an expert in the NBA, the Neurocognitive and Behavioral Approach. To me, this groundbreaking approach gives us such a deep understanding on who we are and why we do the things we do the way we do them, that I made it my mission in life to make it known to as many people as possible. So what are we? How does it work? And can we influence it? If you want to find out, just enroll in this short introduction on neuroscience. It's the perfect place to start. And best of all, it's free. So enroll now and join the thousands of people who, just like you, wish to meet their